Chemical Properties of Transition Elements by KayScience.com. This is the periodic table of elements, and between group 2 and 3 are the transition elements, also known as the transition metals. Here we have a piece of copper foil, and when this copper foil is left in the air and is exposed to oxygen, there is no reaction. This shows how the transition elements are much less reactive than group 1 metals, as they do not react readily with water, chlorine, or oxygen. However, when this same copper foil is heated strongly before it reacts with the oxygen, a black outer coating forms on the surface of the copper foil, which is copper 2 oxide, as the copper foil reacts with the oxygen in the air. On the surface of the copper foil, black copper 2 oxide forms only because the copper foil is heated strongly. Otherwise, a reaction would not take place. The word equation is copper reacts with oxygen to form copper 2 oxide. Here is the symbol equation. Pause the video now to see if you can balance this symbol equation. The answers will follow. Pause the video now to go through your answers. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Here we have a horizontal pyrex tube, which is a tube which has been designed to be heated strongly. Inside this horizontal pyrex tube, we've placed iron filings. This iron, which has a chemical symbol of Fe, normally reacts very slowly with chlorine compared to sodium. However, when we use a Bunsen burner and it is heated very strongly and chlorine is passed over the iron, a reaction takes place. So when chlorine is passed over the iron, a reaction takes place as the iron glows brightly in a vigorous reaction. This forms red iron-free chloride. The word equation is iron plus chlorine reacts to form iron-free chloride. Here is the symbol equation. Pause the video now to see if you can balance this symbol equation. The answers will follow. Pause the video now to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Here we have a container of water, and when sodium reacts with water, the sodium reacts vigorously, moving quickly across the water. Potassium reacts even more vigorously with a lilac flame. So we know alkali metals react vigorously with water. However, when this bar of iron is placed in the water, the iron does not react vigorously. The iron rusts slowly over time. The rusting weakens the iron. Here we have a tall building and a bridge going across a river to show how iron is used in construction. And the negative about using iron in construction is that when iron rusts, it weakens, making it less useful in construction. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets, and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.